Okay, so this problem asks us to find the equation of the secant line on the graph of f of x between x1 equals 6 and x2 equals 14. And write your answer in mx plus b format. And this is actually not correct. If you were to, and when you put the answer in, it doesn't want this format. It wants the point slope format, variation of the point slope format. So I feel like it's a little misleading and disappointing that that's what they're doing. So first of all, we're going to have our f of 6. When we calculate that, I'll get out my handy dandy calculator. And I would have 5.5 times 6 squared minus 7.6 times 6. And I get, wow. Oh, helps when I type it incorrectly. 5.5 times 6 squared minus 7.6 times 6. I get 152.4. And then I'm going to look at f of 14, and that's going to be 5.5 times 14 squared minus 7.6 times 14, and that's 971.6. So our slope is going to be our y2 minus y1 over x2 minus x1, or f of 14 minus f of 6 over 14 minus 6, or, in this case, 971.6 minus 152.4 over 14 minus 6 is 8. So what do we have? We have 971.6 minus 152.4. I get 819.2. Not very good writing there. Sorry about that. I was busy looking at my calculator. 819.2, and if I divide that, I get 102.4. So the way that you probably were thinking of writing this was y minus y1 equals m times x minus x1, and then you can simplify to the y equals mx plus b. What they're really after for the answer is if you add the y1 to both sides, y equals m times x minus x1 plus the y1. And it really does coincide with, I mean, it really, in the great scheme of things, it doesn't matter if you use y1 or x1, if you're working out to be y equals mx plus b. If you're going to match the format of the answer that they gave, what we're going to have is y equals the 102.4 times x minus 6 plus our y1 is 152.4. And that's it. So if you get a different version of this problem, that's how the process would work out to get the answer. Hope that makes sense.